Hey folks, spotty showers dotted the radar this afternoon early, but now things kind of going away. That's about the end of that. Should be fine for your Friday night football games across the area. Satellite shows, of course, the same thing. Patchy clouds show up, but nothing like the last couple of days. So it's been really isolated. And tonight should be a quiet night across the area. And tomorrow, not a rain-free day completely. There will be spotty showers in the valley, but we're talking only about 20% coverage across the area. Most of it like today in that thin line near the coast. Sunday may start the same way. Sunday may start quiet, but there's a disturbance coming in from the west. It's likely to start producing rain north and west of the valley, and some of it moving into the valley Sunday night, and then Sunday night into Monday. There's now potential for some pretty heavy rainfall across the area as this upper disturbance makes its way in our direction. Look at the rain chances. 20% tomorrow, but then 60-70 Sunday, Monday. And I think Sunday, the early part of the day, you're talking way north and west. The ranch lands up into Zapata County and Jim Hogg and Brooks County maybe, but then it sneaks in overnight Sunday night and into Monday. A decent chance for some pretty good rainfall across the area. This is one we're going to watch pretty closely because the potential is there. Temperature-wise right now, here's where we stand. Still 98 in McAllen, 90 in Raymondville and Harlingen. Port Isabel, humidity's at 59% right now. Temperature-wise tonight, another night like the last few, upper 70s. And then tomorrow, because our rain chance is only 20%, we climb back into the 90s. But you look at your temperatures, 95. Sunday we're 95 again, but again, the best chance for rain Sunday is late. And then Monday we stay cooler because of that rain chance. Take a look at temperatures around the rest of the state. South Texas is still warm, but look at the Panhandle. 69 in Lubbock right now. San Angelo, a very cool 74 degrees, and a lot of rain in that part of the state. And the disturbance that's helping to trigger that is making its way toward the south. And we talked last night. You see the dip in these lines right here coming down into Texas? That's an upper air disturbance, and it's a pretty strong one. And this kind of represents that. That's going to be pushing in our direction. Sunday night into Monday, we've got moisture feeding into that. Lots of reasons why we could end up with some pretty good rainfall. Moisture content of the atmosphere is really going to be going up over the weekend. And by Sunday night into Monday, the potential for some pretty heavy rainfall could linger into Tuesday as well before this thing gets out of here. So potential for some decent rain the second half of the weekend and early next week. We'll watch it for you. We're also, of course, watching our storm in the Atlantic. It is a tropical storm right now, Florence, with 65-mile-per-hour winds. But if you're on the East Coast, you better believe you're watching this one closely, because look what happens. Back to a hurricane, perhaps a Category 4 hurricane by the middle of next week. It's going to start to turn. It's a question of where does it turn and where does it end up. Also watching two impressive systems now, both depressions, number 8 and number 9. This is Africa. 9 is headed pretty much straight westward. 8 probably should turn to the north, but this one is one we're going to pay attention to as well, because that one's kind of down in Hurricane Alley, so it bears watch. Tonight then, nothing like that, just clear to partly cloudy, 77 for a low, southeast winds. Then tomorrow, back up to 95 with an isolated thunderstorm. Your chance tomorrow stands at about 20%. We go up into the 60 to 70% range for Sunday, Monday, even Tuesday, and then it tapers off but never goes away. But notice how temperatures drop, only 87 for Monday, and then pushing to get to 90 on Tuesday. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.